Hello farmers, this is the Zedianto. So it's time to take the milk to the collection center. It's lunch hour. With me I have this 150, I have another one there, about 50 liters. So in total lunch hour I have 230 liters. We milk 3 times in a day. So we'll be back again, we'll milk again at around 6 to 7 p.m. Also taking their milk to the collection center. And if you're in Uganda, you are in Kenya, you are in Tanzania, and you want to start dairy farming, I'm your best partner in livestock success. So we're almost there to the collection center, and I train farmers on the best farming ways and on modern farming, dairy farming. I construct modern cow sheds. I plan, draw, and also we come and construct for you. We deliver cows everywhere along East Africa. We construct everywhere along East Africa. We are almost there, so let's go. Hello farmers, we are at the collection center, so it's time for the payment of the white gold. It's a very sweet job and a nice one. Don't hesitate to start it. You'll better it later. If you want Inca Heifers, you want hybrid dairy cows, milkers, calves, just holler at me. I'll get you sorted. This is the sweetness of dairy farming.